from me, a little bit of what me I want with some, yeah. But anyway, put him up. From me, but anyway, put him up. Some boy, you know how you are, I miss never drop.
Certain boy, me no want a friend from them.
I will see them, I'm big fast in them.
Think good.
Anytime you hear something like this, things are gonna change. Let someone move up in the face, the picture growth, you know.
Well, go on, my viewers and subscribers. You don't know it's JVTV, and we do our things different over here. So in today's video, we have a little bit of Louie Culture, we have a little bit of Ioctane, we have a little bit for showing about Popcaan and also Harry Toddler. If you may say my people, so I want to just chill, enjoy the day, and make we kick things off right about now.
See video,
we don't care who, no boy, no.
right on the
We're not frightened for people, we're not frightened for things. We're ready to for not nobody else, you know. I miss the own thing, boss. Yo, watch this. Me nah sponge for a boy for $1. Could have me brother. Pussy me look like me frightened for jagger, umbrella suck your mother. Or you rather dive back in the hole of a sponge for your dada. Could have me brother. Pussy me look like me frightened for jagger, umbrella suck your mother. Or you rather dive back in the hole of a talaga. So the whole thing look like them ears them juggle. Or them love to see the place in a havoc. Say them rich, them lifestyle now add up. Watch the blood clot bitch when them have up. That kind of good sitting. Rock mouth girl where we see a bicycle. My life so sweet like icicle. Too plain to be ribbon. And sponge for a boy for $1. Could have me brother. Pussy me look like me frightened for jagger and mega suck your mother. Or you rather dive back in a hole of a dollar. Nah sponge for your dada. Could have me brother. Pussy me look like me frightened for jagger umbrella suck your mother. Or you rather dive back in a hole of a dollar. Say them a jagger make them go and jag round. Hands down, all of them a damn drown. The reap up of them things clamp down. Can't even pay back the bank loan. Who them a ramp round. Me own estate a country and town. Tell them don't make a sound. Unless them get them vehicle from pound. Me nah sponge for a boy for $1. Coulda me brother. Pussy me look like me frightened for jagger umbrella suck your mother. Or you rather die back in the hole of a dollar. Nah sponge for your dada. Your mother dada. Pussy me look like me frightened for jagger umbrella suck your mother. Or you rather die back in the hole of a dollar. I said the one thing look like them ears them juggle. Or them love to see the place in a havoc. Say them rich them lifestyle now add up. Watch the blood clot bitch where them have up. That are no good sitting.
Well, for many who do not know who this is dancehall artist Shano. I vibe to our next tune, yeah. You know me I say, yeah, my premium tune. Don't know who I tell figure suck them mother and him now sponge pan them and them thing there. You know me I say my people, so if you know who Shano attack, leave a comment in this comment section. You know me I say, what you think about the song? You think it's a song where I go, you know me I say, do something on the dancehall space? Let me know, my people, you feel me? That was the one and only Shano. So I could get into the next clippings, my people. Next up we have the unruly boss himself, and the one and only Popcaan. I also have Popcaan in the studio and I'm feature a new tune, people. And this tune I look like it's going to be something big, you know. It look like it's going to be a tune where I go take on the world, you feel me, say people. I'm in the studio with Nitty Kutchi, Pinchers, and the producer Not Nice. So I want you to check it out and tell me what you think.
If you badness, never drop from me, a little bit of what me I want with some, yeah. But anyway, put him up. For me, but anyway, put him up. Some boy, you know how you are, badness, never drop from me, a little bit of what me I want with some, yeah. But anyway, put him up. Tell me what anyway, put him up. Make you sing like there is a man. Them like a salmon, for real like a dance. 100 and sparkling in a mission. My bike in a garage. Now the overcome and say, when them soft like a dancer. Pussy them don't have no common sense. Rich madness, we are deal with it. Drink how we real with that vibe on the net and our face. Bumbo clan, I'm done. I want you down a van.
Now, what the vibes gonna get from that tune, yeah? Let me know in the comment section if you think this Popcaan tune, you know, I said Louie Culture Pinchers and produced by Night Nice, I gonna really take the streets, you know, I said my people. That's all we're asking for doing now. And if you make sure you give that video a like, you know, people, thump up the like button, you feel me? Now let's continue. Yeah, people, that was Ioctane. You feel me? I forward on a stage. You know, I say, yeah. And you can hear the tune where I lead off with, you know. Definitely sound good. Think one we should look out for. You know, I say, people. Yeah, definitely. Good look for Ioctane, people. So, we could give Ioctane them props and say, go and do your thing, me youth. You don't know. The future look bright and things. So just step up your game and do your thing. And don't stop. You feel me? So long, let's continue, my people. So next up we have dancehall artist, veteran dancehall artist Louie Culture, recently on a performance, my people. So I want you to check it out right about now. Next up we have Harry Toddler and friends. And it look like Harry Toddler promote him next show forward up. You know what I say, people, right in Jamaica. So I want to take a listen and take a look.
Certain boy, I don't want a friend from them.
I see them, I think I see them.
Think you wouldn't know.
Think we would find out. I see them.
So hear what I say, I have a thing on your 90s crown. This is going on the 12th of July. You know, a Ufa party that I don't need to tell you, but I still going to tell you.
One Harry Toddler.
Harry Toddler. 12th of July, 90s crown, round a Kencut. I know so that's our place. That's how we gather and hold the vibes and have fun. On the ground,
That is it.
90s crowd. Man, I go there. See them, man?
I don't know. A 4 Central Road.
Look alike as there.
I don't need to put something in the bank already, so I can go take out something.
Video by who?
Video Fuse. Just kitchen video.
Who is this? Oh, that run stove.
4 Central Road.
Next up, we have a performance, you know, as I call it, a throwback, you know, throwback from the past. We don't want like Super Cat, you know, me I say, and then like the man like Everyday, rest in peace, Everyday, and also Frankie Paul, rest in peace, Frankie Paul. Performing here, people, so I want you to check it out, you know, me I say, people, very good performance, you know, me I say, by the trio, so I could check it out right about now.
This is Mr. Cat on the top dog daddy. The girl them a say that every day is sexy. A special request to the one FP. Come down every day for your top celebrity.
Man, I'm you know, make me see I'm good. So when me go, may I forget gun salute. Big respect to all of the get to you. Who dress up in a silk, the crisp baggy boots. So tell me who, and that I'm who wrong thing.
You working in Japan and you are a.
Tell me who top that I'm who wrong thing.
I'm on a Mr. FP, man, I am a rock thing.
I don't give me second time every day I run thing. Well, we cheer, we not the cheer, we are running thing. Yeah, we bad, and we don't want nobody die. He got me right, cause when we giving up the facade, I'm lost.
Because we got ready with one, we got ready, ready.
We got ready with us, we got ready, ready.
We got ready with one, we got ready, ready.
So what do you think, people, of that performance, Super Cat, Everyday, and Frankie P? You know me I say, rest in peace to both of them, you know me I say. So leave a comment in the comment section. And with that, you know, people, we come to an end of another video, you know. Hope you find this video very interesting and very, you know me I say, very entertainment, you know me I say. So I want to big up on yourself as usual, you know me I say, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I wanna wait man, subscribe to the channel man and thump up the like button for me. So me I say, people, so with that said, you know, people, as me always say, walk good, God is the greatest, and we checking out in the next video.